Shibadoge, of course, we all know that Shibadoge is one of the best small cap crypto coins. Now, the possibility of Shibadoge losing 5 zeros in the next 24 months. What is the possibility of Shibadoge losing 5 zeros? Of course, Shiba Inu did it in 2020 and 2021, making a lot of people millionaires. We have Floki Inu, we have a lot of other crypto coins that actually did well in the past. Now, Shibadoge is actually the combination of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Now, they actually see themselves as Shiba Killer and Dogecoin Killer. Now, Shibadoge still have about 15 zeros at the time of recording this video. Shibadoge have actually did well in the past. When you take a look at the history of Shibadoge, you discover that Shibadoge have actually increased in terms of value. Now, when Shibadoge actually gained more attention was when Wells, Ethereum Wells, actually make Shibadoge their #1 small cap crypto coin above Shiba Inu itself. Then they have about 7.3 million coins of $7.3 million investment on Shibadoge, while Shiba Inu then was actually at $5.5 million before later on they now sold off the Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge still one of the best, although Shibadoge is ranked over 2,900 plus in terms of crypto ranking. Now, what is the possibility of Shibadoge losing 5 zeros and making us millionaires? Of course, yes. What Shibadoge need right now is the burning. Shibadoge have quadrillions of coins out there. Shibadoge needs to burn a lot of coins. Now, Shibadoge need to be listed on many crypto exchange. Right now, Shibadoge is being listed on Hotbit. Shibadoge needs to be listed on Crypto.com. They need to be listed on Get.io. They need to be listed on Kucoin. They need to be listed on major crypto exchange like Binance and Coinbase. If they can get listed on Binance alone, Shibadoge is expected to lose about 2 zeros or 3 zeros. Now, Shibadoge developers are actually working towards making sure that the price of Shibadoge will keep increasing in value. The price of Shibadoge will keep increasing, let's say, between now and the next 5 years to come. Shibadoge is going to make a lot of people millionaires. Even if you have a $10 investment on Shibadoge, you might end up making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Imagine having just $100 investment, you might become a millionaire with Shibadoge. In fact, at the time of recording this video, if you can invest $10 to $20 on Shibadoge and Shibadoge loses 3 to 5 zeros, you're already a millionaire in dollars. But how possibility can this happen? This possibility of this happen is not easy, okay? All Shibadoge need right now is a community. What Shibadoge need right now is burning of Shibadoge tokens. Yes, if they can burn their coins, they can burn at least 70% of their total supply. Right now, Shibadoge is a small cap crypto coins. We are expecting Shibadoge to actually increase in price before the end of 2025. Yes, what Shibadoge still need a lot of work to do. They have a lot of homeworks to do in order to help push the price of Shibadoge. Let's keep hoping for the best and let's keep hoping that Shibadoge will keep increasing in price. Remember, this video is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.